year's #1 draft pick and Rookie of the Year, the pride of Pangasinan, standing 6'6". Let's raise the roof for number 10, Danny Ildefonso.
With 2 points on the slap down.
The stand of Danny
Breaks the rule, but sabi ni Danny of this series.
Danny akit na naman yung bubong. Try to lift up the game of San Miguel. Stop this rally. Bang! And the San Miguel
Down Trump there by Freeman, and now Danny wants to get the right. Look at that going to do it. Right in the room.
Ildefonso made some magical shots tonight.
Jose Marcelo picked by Noel. Back pass, Cjay, and he gets the layup.
Right there! Nakay Danny Ay gets the basket, may kasama pang foul. Andiyan din si Danny Ildefonso, Hodge, Dillinger, and David. Ildefonso up under. Let's go! Pitches it out. Arwin lilipad. Huli! Ildefonso working against Fajardo. Now wants to back him up. Lakay, Danny Ay fading away. Ildefonso delivers. Those are his forward.
Parang muli ko yung ganda ng pinakita performance si Daniel Ildefonso being one of the cornerstone or yung pinakamagaling na player ng San Miguel.
Standing at 6'2", number 18, Lourdy.
And this kind of game favors the North because of their quickness and their speed.
And Lourdy Tugade.
Yeah.
16 points now for James Yap. Ito si Lourdy Tugade, lumusok.
Both teams again content trading baskets, no? Still no real semblance.
Kaya Asi Taulava, Helderbrand, binigay kay Tugade sa ilalim. Okay, ito naman yung reverse layup na yun, ha? Ang layo nun. 10 points now. Mike Pingris.
Ang ganda naman ang pasa.
Lourdy Tugade coming in.
And Pingris, after he dished off, hindi rin niya tinignan kung papasok yung bola, ha?
This is the 11th deadlock. Oh, pinahirapan ni Lourdy. Kita mo yun? Pwede na isubo sa ring yan, eh. Pinilipit pa ni Lourdy Tugade. Oy, nakawala rin si Kelly. Yeah.
Taller than him, with a longer wingspan, able to block that shot. Kung sakasakali
Gaganti
na.
si Tugade!
Oh, yes! Bawin-bawi!
And
champions on the floor. Jun Limpot ngayon na may dala. Side-stepping move, binigay kay Kenny Redfield sa ilalim, masyado malalim. Oh, huli ka, sabi ni Marlou Aquino. Pero nandun si Romy De La Rosa, but nonetheless, a great rejection mula kay Marlou Aquino. Ni Michael Orquillas. 3 and 20.
Orquillas making his presence felt sa larong ito. Kailangan ng kanyang tulong dahil nawala si Vince Gleason sa laban.
Ang ganda naman ng cross-court move or crossover move. Nandun si Marlou Aquino for the tip-in. And the lead has been sliced to PBA winning drives. May malaking cash prizes every month. And the Mazda B2500 pickup will be given away on the grand draw. So watch every PBA game. Ispatan ng ating Mazda pickup or Mazda Power Van. Isulat ang iyong entry form found in Mazda print ads and drop them in drop box. So sa ating FMCC. For more details, just see posters and print ads. And the action continues here. May palpa mula kay Dennis Espino.
Big back part of Marlou Aquino has been absent from the offense of Gordon's gym for a large part of this game. At ngayon, kakailanganin ni Coach John Perez itong
Completes it. At 5 na lamang ang abante ng Santa Lucia after a big 15-point lead dito sa third quarter.
so big 17-4 run now by Gordon's gym.
Espino nakawala, inilaglag kay Redfield. Pinay! Huli ka! What a block mula kay Marlou Aquino. Watch it again. Rejected by the skyscraper.
So checking itong run ng Gordon's.
Pantay off the glass. Wala.
And Espino trying to take the ball safely and Redfield.
Oh! What a block mula kay Marlou Aquino.
At nahiligtas pa ka mo.
Is Galloso. Nabangan ni Marlou Aquino. Watch it again. Open court basketball. No way, sabi ni Marlou Aquino. Rejected by the skyscraper.
Actually, ang second part nun ay yung pagligtas ni Pido Harencio ng bola. Tingnan natin kung abutan natin dito.
Tanya not playing. Mackie De Hoya not playing. An underman dito ang Gordon Shin. 2 for 2 si Noli Locsin. Natapyas ang abante ng Santa Lucia sa dalawa. 3:40 remaining dito sa final quarter.
And Chris Jackson is bringing up the ball para sa Santa Lucia.
Good pass. Nahabol ni Marlou Aquino.
Gets away. Feeding thing. Oh! Nasakuragi. Gonna throw down.
Mark Maloka is the most physical guard in the league. Able to throw away Gabe Norwood. And then Mark Pingris able to throw it down.
John.
By Yancy De Ocampo. Bullet pass for Pingris. Defense and then beats Japet Aguilar down the floor. No big man there, only Marcus there, and one para kay Pinoy Sakuragi.
Kick out naman to, wide open James here.
Here's Sakuragi for the finish after the nice egg slam, courtesy of Mark Pingris.
Goes under and the one-hander. Oh, Mark Pingris. Amazing move that is brought to us by Coltates. Devons using his help. Gets into Sanggalang. Nakita si Ping.
Dito na kayo sa Metro Manila as Malyari. Oh, alley-oop for Mark Pingris.
Was that a pass?
I think that was a pass.
Great intention there by Malyari. Trying to go hard to the basket, but had great intention finding Mark Pingris
Yeah, but I think
for a slam.
Colombia has to win if they're going to be figuring in any playoffs.
So baka dependent pa sa iba mga factor.
Tsaka importante dyan, lahat pantay-pantay kasi ngayon eh. Everybody is at 0-0.
Yep, asking for a foul, none given. Right for three. Perez over Ponferrada.
The crowd just loving what Cjay Perez is doing here.
Step back, same spot, same result. Cjay Perez is on fire.
He cannot miss in this second quarter. He has fully embraced it.
Meaning hindi mo na pwedeng sabihin na pagkalaban natin ng Colombian, sure win na to.
Perez slithers his way through.
Ball didn't even hit the ring. Kita mo, bilis.
Oh my gosh.
Ang bilis. At saka yung elevation ni Cjay Perez, nakakabilib.
ang ginagawa dito ni Cjay.
Either walang gustong pumigil o wala talaga nakapigil dun sa drive na yan ni Cjay.
Wala yung 2 scores. Yan ang nangyari dito. Look at Cjay Perez. He's gonna come in with a slammer. There it is. A slam dunk and a landing. And a landing.
And this was the perfectly timed steal by Cjay, like a predator in the night. However, that's going to be another turnover. Libre si Cjay, and he slams that one home.
Ang ganda ng landing ni Cjay Perez, no? After that dunk, he landed with both his feet on the ground. Great job by Alson playing defense in transition.
Oh my God!
Oh, that's a beautiful play. Cjay Perez with the elevation.
To coast for Perez.
Oh.
Perez na naman tumatakbo. Kontra pa niya Morgan. Perez!
And he will score. Ang bilis eh. Big rebound by Jackson. Here comes Cjay once more. Ang ganda naman ang pasa.
Oh, wait a minute. We are not done. As Colombian Jeep has come to within 7 points. And NLEX sues for time.
Break down the defense. Wells goes all the way. Go!
Cjay Perez! Impossible shot. May give me 5 pa siya ron.
Kuminsan sakali, tawag namin doon, tirang ayawan. Encrypted. Oo, gumulong.
On the inside when that ball is moving closer to the basket.
Perez off the penetration, puts it up right on top of G.
That time, sinabayan ni G si Cjay Perez, but
McCarthy wants to be quicker. Oh, look at Cjay! Ang ganda naman ang eye in the sky na yun, and a pretty finger roll mula kay Cjay Perez. Jackson kept it in control, goes over to Cjay behind his back. Left it for Corpus, easy layup, and look at this! Mula rito kay Capri Alston. Cjay on the break, eluding the D.
And Romeo Travis said that they gave up the foul, but that wasn't called. At tuloy-tuloy si Cjay Perez. No whistle.
Pantay talaga kailangan dito kay Gio Olalan because he seems to be very offensive-minded sa laban na ito. Mabilis naman, nakabawi si Cjay. Ahead to Cjay. Cjay on the break.
Oh, what a move! What a move to elude the defense, Cjay Perez.
That was pretty. Brownlee.
But they can also correct that, no? Because they will check that. Nice alley-oop play.
And in transition, Cjay Perez splitting up those legs and slamming it home gently on the fast break. Early 6-2 lead para sa Jeep.
A lucky break for Colombia. That possession is still with the Jeep. Ito ang high flyer. Para lumilipad si Cjay.
Jonel Bauzon. Hey! Is the official apparel of UCBF. I saw him kanina. Round robin, 360 and beyond. AEG power move. Tignan natin from Jonel Bauzon. Kasama sa Mythical 5. And the dunk with authority for Jonel Bauzon. Bauzon. Salazar inside of Bauzon. The reverse is in. Let go. Yanni, quick pass to the part of Pacheco. Pacheco going all the way to take back the lead for Diliman. When he runs the break, it's just on him. Ligon step back three.
Great setup play there by Robbie Darang.
Ligon. Pacheco. Aangat.
So 3 minutes in the ballgame, he has already 7 points for Olivares.
Is the official apparel of UCBL as Pacheco finishes another layup. Quickly, Digno, the alley-oop for Jonel Bauzon.
Bauzon was already asking.
Mauubos ang aming pasasalamat kay Boss Nelson Guevara for his full support to UCBL. Jonel Bauzon off the glass. Gets one possession game. Ligon drives the baseline, gets it to go.